Hi, you're watching Yoga with AJ, and today we are going to do a few poses, very simple movements as well to help you release anxiety or stress. So rest your hands however you like. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Let's do that 3 more times. If you feel like, close your eyes while doing it. Inhale through the nose. Two more times. Pause for a moment, bring your awareness to your neck, and we're going to make small half circles with the neck. So just moving the chin towards your shoulder, right or the left, any which side you want to start from. And then go to the other side, gently moving. And as you do that, try and remember what helps you to relax. For some people, it's lying down on a nice, comfortable bed. For other people, it's being in nature. Some relax with music or friends. And come back to the center with your head. Place one hand on your heart, the other on your stomach, and just allow yourself to breathe. Focusing on your breath. And then closing your eyes, imagine a place where you feel relaxed. Continue to breathe nicely. It could be a place in your imagination, an imaginary place. Or it could be a place you've been to before. It could even be your room, where you feel very good. And slowly relaxing your arms, taking them out to the sides, and we're going to curl the fingers in. So you bring all the fingers in towards the pads. So where the finger starts, the pad, you draw each finger in and gently press down. You take thumbs up as if you're asking for a ride on a highway, and we're just going to take the thumbs back as far back as you can without straining the shoulders, and then back again the other way. So back, and we're releasing tension from the shoulders as we do this. Continue to breathe just normally. Maybe just 3 or 4 more times. And slowly relax. Opening up your hands as if you're throwing water from your fingers, sending energy out through your hands. Relaxing the hands. Sometimes when we are tense, we tend to move the hands into fists, and we want to relax them. Moving the fingers out as if you're throwing water from them, and just take a quick shoulder roll. Inhale, exhale. We'll do 2 more of them. Inhale again, exhale as you relax. I hope this video was helpful to you. Stay connected to yourself and remember to stay calm.